Welcome, in front of me is a NOKIA 6.2 from 2019, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So when you boot the device for the first time, you will see the welcome screen where you get to choose the language. So I'm gonna select English, there we go, and from here stop and let's go. And here you have an option to put in your SIM card. Now this is completely optional, you can put in a SIM card at any moment and it will not change anything, so we can skip this for now. Wi-Fi network, you can also skip if, for instance, you don't have any. The only difference is without Wi-Fi or SIM card, the phone won't really set up a time until you put one of the other. So unless you connect to network or put in a SIM card, the time won't be correct. Or you can also set it up manually, which it's kind of pointless. And the moment you connect to anything, it will set it up for you. And without network, you also won't be able to connect to your Google account. And from here, next page, you have the Google services, so you can read which one of them does. So for instance, you have the localization and some other stuff. You can disable and enable them as you want. So just tap on accept here. And then unlock with fingerprint. So this is just a way for you to protect your device. Now, when it says unlock with a fingerprint, it also will force you to set up a different way of unlocking the device. So you'll have the choice between PIN, pattern, or password. So we can tap on next, set up a screen lock, and there we go. So there's the option. So I'm gonna go with pattern, draw the pattern, tap next, redraw the same pattern once more, confirm, and then we get to scan our finger on the sensor on the back. So I'm just gonna start tapping on it. Now when you're doing this, you want to get a fairly good read of your entire finger along with the edges. So let's just do that. There we go. And from here you can rename this, so you know that, for instance, this is your index finger. You can also add another fingerprint if you want to, or try to add the same finger once more, just for a better accuracy. Or you can just continue without adding additional info there and just tap on done. They have also option to add face unlock. I don't really want it, so I'm gonna do that later. And you are nearly ready to go, so tap on that now. Not really interested in whatever they're offering there, and we're done. So now we're on the home screen and the entire device is set up. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.